In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all chats in ChatGPT. If you've been using ChatGPT for a while, your conversation list can get pretty long. Maybe you want a clean slate for organization or privacy. Deleting all your chats is quick, but it's also permanent. So follow along carefully and make sure you truly want to remove everything from your history before you confirm. First, look to the left side of the ChatGPT window. That's where your chat history lives, in the sidebar. At the very bottom of that sidebar, you'll see your profile area. It may show your profile picture or your initials. Click that profile section to open a small menu. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the main settings panel where you can manage how ChatGPT behaves and how your data is handled. Inside the settings panel, find the section labeled Data Controls. This is where ChatGPT groups tools related to your conversation data and privacy. Within Data Controls, look for the option that says Delete All Chats. This button is designed to remove your entire conversation history from your account's sidebar in one action. When you're ready, click Delete All. You'll immediately be asked to confirm, because this action cannot be undone. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm to proceed. After you confirm, give the app a moment to process. Your sidebar will clear, and all previous conversations will be removed from your visible history. You'll now be starting fresh with no past chats listed. A few helpful notes while you do this. Deleting all chats affects your account's history, so the change applies wherever you use ChatGPT under the same account. This action is intended for a full clean-out of your conversation list, not for removing your account or changing your subscription. If there are any conversations you think you might need later, consider saving important content elsewhere before you confirm, because once you delete, you won't be able to retrieve those chats. It's also good to know that product interfaces can change over time. The labels may shift slightly, but the general path remains the same. Open the profile menu at the bottom of the left sidebar, go into Settings, open Data Controls, select Delete All Chats, and confirm. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can clear your entire chat history and start with a clean, uncluttered workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your ChatGPT conversations quickly and confidently.